mini, the bradle, an thuag, the axe, an lawn, the blade, a bhrúsh, the brush, an scuab, the broom, an pela or a bhuachgid, the bucket, an gillip, the chisel, an drilla, the drill, an screwer, the screw, the screwchen, the screws, an tarak, the nail, the tarakan, the nails, an thort, the hammer, an sav, the saw, an durkish, the pliers, an grachpa, the pitchfork, an tarag or an farag, the ladders.